Hello friends, I am Dr. Rahul Joshi, a practicing homeopath in Walkeshwar, Mumbai, and you're watching me on Sify.com, the exclusive website. And well, you've also seen a couple of my other colleagues, senior doctors, and here I am to answer your queries.
We wouldn't be able to know exactly until you demonstrate it for us.
Music, the swaras, the 7 notes, whether Indian classical or Western music, if sung and heard, can fill your life, your heart, your existence with so much of happiness and upliftment. So let's uplift this existence. Rag Malkaons for you. Re na ri na nu ri ra na ta na 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 ta na 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 ra nu ta na 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 ta na ri ra 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 na 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 ra 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 ri ra ra na na ra na 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 ri ra 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 na na ra na 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 ri ra 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 na na ra ra na na 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 ri ra 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 na na ra na na ha ra ra na 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 ra ra na 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 ra na na ri ra na Can there be darkness where there is light? So, if there is so much of positivity, can there be negativity? With good homeopathy, with good constitutional treatment, and with this music, you can attain such positivity of mind that this negativity cannot come, and hence it becomes a sort of a shield, immunity for more than 80% of illnesses. We can talk a lot about music, but I would request that this can be done at some other meeting. Let's continue our talk on homeopathy.
Doctor, is migraine also a psychosomatic condition, and what is its treatment in homeopathy?
Well, yes, partly migraine is a psychosomatic illness, but we often see that mothers who have migraine, often their daughters do have migraine. But having said that, the trigger factors are psychosomatic. And well, my thesis in my MD was migraine headaches, and we had seen beautiful results, and these results are now carried forward in our practice as well. Whenever a patient of migraine comes to us, we first take a detailed history and then ask 3 important questions. That what is the intensity of migraine? From 1 to 10, is it 3, 4, 5, 6 or 10 severe? What is the frequency? Is it every day, every week, every month? And what frequency, intensity and duration? How long does it last? For 2 hours, for 3 hours, for 6 hours, or in a more sinister attack, does it last for 18 hours, 20 hours or even 48 hours? Having noted all the history, having understood the patient, his mental state, we prescribe a drug. And I tell you, in our practice we've seen that the patient's 3 parameters do come down slowly and gradually. I don't ask the patient to stop their allopathic medications if at all they are taking. They may taper it. If painkiller were required, say every day, it comes down to once in 4 days or once in 6 days. So drugs like Natramur, Belladonna, Cuprum metallicum, Bryonia, Lac defloratum, Syphilinum and more, these drugs come regularly in treatment of migraine, and this is one area where I would say with lot of authority that we can do wonders in patient care.
What are the myths related to homeopathy?
Well, some feel homeopathy is slow, which is not the case. Some people feel that homeopathy sometimes has steroids Well, there are dark sheep, black sheep everywhere. So this is not the case. Most of the good homeopaths don't use steroids. Number 3, anything which has effect also has side effects. So an inadvertent use of pills and popping homeopathic pills also can give rise to some serious aggravation. So there's a myth that there are no side effects in homeopathy. Yes, there are side effects if not taken properly. And number 4, homeopathy pills are habit forming, which is not the case. They are not habit forming. So these are the 4 common misnomers, you may say, or myths about homeopathy.
To end the conversation, any advice for our viewers?
Well, advice is that visit a doctor only when required. Visit yourself first. Exercise well. Eat well. Eat at regular intervals. See to that you spend a lot of time with your loved ones and love people. See to that your mind, heart is clear. See to that you are like a child. And see, a child does not have illnesses. So the more you become childlike, the more you are one with your own self. And I think that is the biggest advice which I would like to give you, that health is wealth. Thank you.